Hello there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. We're going to have another episode of our new show, Parts Corner. And today we're going to talk about power window regulators for the Volkswagen Vanagon. Over the years, the power window regulators in the Vanagons have begun failing. And we have had sold quite a few of them. So for a while, you could only get them from the dealer. They were extremely expensive. Now you can get them as an aftermarket part. They are still kind of expensive, $124. And the motor is a separate part on the stock unit. Okay. The motor is available as a new unit as well for $185. Okay, so you've got your regulator, $125, your motor, $185. That is a lot of money. Okay, I understand that. And a lot of times people will just replace one of the two because it's expensive. Why replace both? But what I've been seeing over the last couple years is that the motors themselves, because of how they're designed, they allow water to come inside. It sits in there, and you can have a perfectly good working power window motor and regulator and let the van sit for 6 months to a year, and now it's frozen. Okay, and then people were sending me their old ones to try to repair, and a lot of them were basically boat anchors. They were so frozen, so rusted, that they were basically garbage. So in the meantime, another company has made these aftermarket power window regulators that we have gotten a first sample of here, and you can see they are actually all one piece. They come with a new motor installed, and the price of these is going to be $129 on our website. So you're going to be able to replace the regulator and the motor for the price of just the regulator. Okay, you're going to be saving $185. That's a big savings, and you're going to be replacing both things at the same time, so you're going to hopefully be having a lot of trouble-free stuff going on. So let's take a look at these a little bit closer. The regulator part looks basically stock on these. Okay, basically they just copied the regulator, power window regulator, from the Vanagon. It looks very stock. That side, really the big difference is on this side. So you're going to see they have a smaller motor, but I believe their gearing in here is actually bigger to kind of deal with that. Okay, so you have a smaller motor, but you have like larger gears that allows for the smaller motor to still do the same work. It probably would go up and down a little bit slower, and it comes with new mounts. I mean, it's a pretty well put together package. The plug, okay, it looks like you're going to have to reuse the plastic portion of your old plug. You just would depin it and then pop it back together with these two things on here and plug it in, and you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. So it looks like a really nicely made unit for $129. I think the price point of it is going to be good. I have one pair at the moment I'm going to put on the website. So whoever buys it, I'm going to need feedback from you about how good of a job it does and that kind of thing. And if there's any issues, I'll take care of you. But this is a new product, and so if the initial purchase goes well, I'm going to buy a lot more, and we'll have these available on our website. But I just wanted to share this new product with you in our show product or Parts Corner. If you guys have any questions about power window motors, power window regulators, we have some videos on that on our website. But these are really nice aftermarket parts, and you can tell the people that made them actually took some time to try to make them very similar as to like a bolt-on. Nothing crazy going on, because it has these, cables like the original. You can install it real easily. You just basically twist it up and make a more compact shape out of it. like so. You flip it around and make it into like a straight shot. You can slide it up in the door, unhook it, unfold it, and it goes back to its original shape. You can see these kind of smaller boxes they have for it as well. This is what it came in, that it was basically twisted up, and it can conform into the smaller shape package and get shipped a lot cheaper too. So that is our new power window regulators and motors for the Volkswagen Vanagon. If you're interested, you can find them on our website. I'll put the link in the video description below. Please like, share, subscribe to these videos, and also make sure you click the notification bell, which is on the subscription page. If you click on that bell, every time we have a new video, you will get a notification so you can watch it right away. If you don't click that bell, you're not going to get that. Okay, so that's it, guys. We will see you guys on the next episode of Parts Corner.